Mastering the Art of Car Detailing, a comprehensive guide. Welcome, automotive enthusiasts, to a comprehensive dive into the world of car detailing. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to achieving that professional-grade shine, and we'll explore the best steps to take when cleaning your car, along with top-notch brands and advanced techniques. Step 1. Begin with a thorough pre-rinse. Use a high-pressure hose to blast away loose dirt and grime from the surface of your car. This initial rinse is crucial as it helps prevent scratching during the washing process and ensures that the shampoo can work effectively. Step 2. Apply a high-quality car shampoo. Choose a pH balance formula like Maguire's Gold Class or Adams Polish's car shampoo. Using a soft microfiber wash mitt, work the shampoo into a rich lather, starting from the top and working your way down. That way, we don't collect the rocks from the bottom and scratch the car at the top. Don't forget to rinse your wash mitt pretty often, keeping it wet and dirt-free. Step 3. Rinse thoroughly. Make sure to remove all traces of shampoo from the surface of your car, paying special attention to the lower panels where dirt and grime tend to accumulate. Step 4. Dry your car with a microfiber towel. Avoid using old bath towels or chamois, as they can cause scratches and swirl marks. Instead, opt for a plush microfiber towel like the ones from the Rag Company or Chemical Guys. This way, no water streaks will be life. If you are more advanced with detailing, I recommend using a blower, moving the water down and not leaving any water spots. Step 5. Clean the wheels and tires. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner like Sonak's Wheel Cleaner or Griot's Garage Wheel Cleaner, along with a stiff brush to remove brake dust and road grime. Don't forget to use an extended brush to get all around the inside of the wheel, including the calipers and the bolts around the wheel. Finish off with a tire dressing for that extra shine. Step 6. Polish and protect the paintwork. Using a dual-action polisher and a fine polishing compound, remove swirl marks and imperfections to reveal a smooth, mirror-like finish. Seal the deal with a high-quality ceramic coating for long-lasting protection. Step 7. Pay attention to the details. Clean and dress trim pieces. Restore faded plastics and polish chrome accents for a truly showroom-worthy finish. Make sure to double-check each part of the car to ensure that you are satisfied with your work. And there you have it, the best steps to take when cleaning your car. With the right tools, products, and techniques, you can achieve a level of shine that turns heads wherever you go. As you conclude your car detailing journey, remember that the art of achieving a pristine shine lies in the meticulous execution of each step. With dedication and the right tools at your disposal, you can transform your car into a gleaming masterpiece. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge and inspiration to elevate your car's appearance to new heights. Until next time, happy detailing!